Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is K. Deepa from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Subject Introduction to Python Programming. Topic Python data types function exception handling a program to guess the number. Introduction to Python data types. Python has several built-in data types such as integer, floats, strings, list, tuples, and dictionaries. Data types determine the operations that can be performed on the data and how they are stored in memory. Understanding data types is essential for effective programming in Python. Integers and floats. Integers are whole number without decimal point, while floats are number with decimal points. Python automatically assigns the data type based on the value assigned to a variable. Arithmetic operations can be performed on integer and floats in Python. String and list. Strings are sequence of character enclosed in a single or double quotes. Lists are order collection of items that can be of different data types. Both strings and lists can be manipulated and across using various methods and indexing in Python. Tuples and dictionaries. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed once signed. Dictionaries are key value pairs where each key maps to a specific value. Tuples and dictionaries provide different way to store and across data in Python. Functions in Python. Functions are blocks or reusable code that perform a specific task. They help in organizing code, making it more readable and promoting reusability. Function can take input arguments, performing operations, and return output values in Python. Defining and calling functions. Functions are defined using the diff keywords followed by the function's name and parameters. They are called by using the function's name followed by parentheses containing any required arguments. Functions can have default arguments, variable length arguments, and keyword arguments in Python. Exception handling in Python. Exception handling is a way to deal with errors that occurs during program exception. Python provide try, except, and finally blocks to handle exception gracefully. By catching and handling exception, program can avoid crashing and provide meaningful error message. Handling specific exception. Specific exception can be crouched using multiple exception blocks for different error scenarios. The except blocks can also specify the type of exception to handling, allowing for targeted error handling. Exception handling helps in a writing robot code that can gracefully recover from unexpected situations. Python programming guess the number. Input random num equals to random dot randint 1 comma 10. guess equals to none, while guess not equals to number, guess equals to input, guess a number between 1 to 10, guess is equals to int, guess. If guess equals to number, print congratulations you won, break, else print nope, sorry, try again. Program to guess a number. A simple Python program can be created to prompt user to guess a randomly generated number. The program compares the user's guess with the target number and provides feedback on whether the guess is too high, too low, or correct. By using loops and conditional statements, the programs can continue until the user guesses the correct number. Conclusion: Python offers a wide range of data types, functions, and exception handling mechanisms for effective programming. Understanding this concept is crucial for developing efficient and reliable Python programs. By practicing with example like guessing a number, programs can enhance their skills and create more advanced applications. I hope this slides presentation efficiently covered Python data types, function, exception handling, and a program to guess a number. Thank you for watching.